3 reasons to downsize. Homeowners are realizing that living large doesn't always mean bigger is better. If you're considering downsizing your home, stick around because we're going to go over some of the benefits of downsizing. Hi, I'm Jules Bechtold with Real Estate by Jules and Weichert Realtors Neighborhood 1. There are many benefits to downsizing to a smaller home. Whether the decision is voluntary or you're forced to move for a job relocation or other life event, rest assured there is a benefit to decreasing your home size. If you love saving money, energy, resources, and enjoy saving time on upkeep, then downsizing might be just right for you. First, if you've been in your current home a while, it's likely to have increased in value, and you may be near paying off your mortgage, if not having paid it off completely. Buying a smaller, cheaper property will give you a lot of equity left over to use for whatever you wish. It'll allow you to do those hobbies, recreational activities, maybe traveling that you've wanted to do. It also may mean you can buy your new home as a cash buyer, giving you more options and the ability to live mortgage-free. Downsizing to a smaller home means less upkeep, lower bills, and more time to do the things you love. It's an exercise in saving both money and time. If you're downsizing in later life, it means you can choose a property that will better suit your needs as you get older. Instead of having to contend with stairs, limited accessibility, or a large yard requiring maintenance, you can pick a property that can work for you now and in the future. Number 2, you'll likely experience energy savings. If you've ever lived in a large home, you know one of the downsides are the energy costs, from heating and cooling costs to water and electrical bills. As you're probably aware, it costs a lot to run a large home. In a smaller home, you'll enjoy lower energy and utility bills throughout the year. Number 3, downsizing can free up your lifestyle for travel. You won't be a slave to your yard work, housework, or the upkeep of a larger home. If you do decide to downsize, traveling can be less of a hassle when you need to leave your home for extended amounts of time, especially if you downsize to an apartment or a condominium from a standalone home, where a lot of maintenance is taken care of for you. Bonus tip: oftentimes a smaller home means less stress. Having less home and yard work to maintain and lower monthly costs to help alleviate stress and allow you to live a more comfortable life. If you're at the stage of life where downsizing is your next step and you would like to discuss this in more detail, or if you have any other real estate related questions, please let's connect. I'm Jules Bechtold with Real Estate by Jules and Weichert Realtors Neighborhood 1. And remember, your property is a top priority at Real Estate by Jules.